I'm Ajong. What I bring to you today is our 559A lead-free solder paste. The first thing to talk about is the environmental protection of our 559A. Our 559A raw materials are selected from high-quality materials. It's lead-free, no halogen added, and our product has the official SGS Environmental Protection Certification. When letting a maintenance user apply it, the residue and smoke are greatly reduced. It's safer to work with and very healthy. Apart from this, our solder paste is insulated. Let's take a look with a multimeter. It does not contain any resistance, and its performance is very stable. It's suitable for precise welding production, more suitable for people with high solder requirements. The solvent added to the paste is an organic acid. Its advantage is that the viscosity is moderate. It has a better flow, and it is very environmentally friendly.